in this video, I'm going to bake a chicken. Hai semua, sekali tu aku dekat mangga manuk dalam oven. And first I'm going to show you the ingredients. What we need here is 1 whole chicken, potato, carrots, vegetable stock, or you can use water, herbs. What I'm using here is paprika, cinnamon, rosemary, thyme, black pepper, galangal powder, and star anise, as well as vegetable oil and salt to taste. Bahan-bahan kena aku ianya manuk, siko, ubi kentang, carrot, stok sayur, boleh ngena air aja penulian, ngau herbal kena aku dito ianya paprika, cinnamon, rosemary, thyme, black pepper, taka lada hitam, galangal ianya serbuk lengkuas, star anise taka bunga lawang. Udahnya kita ngena minyak sayur, ngau garam. The first process that I'm going to do is I'm going to marinate the chicken with salt, vegetable oil, and herbs. Vegetable stock, carrots, and potato, we're going to use it later. Bahan kena aku merenuk tu ianya garam, minyak masak, ngau herba dulu. Jadi bahan kebukai ianya carrot, potato, ubi kentang, ngau stok sayur, dikena dudi. So make sure your hand is clean and there's no accessories to handle the raw meat. Pastikan jari bersih dah dicuci, ngau nadai accessories, nadai kena accessories untuk megai barang daging mentah. So I'm going to sprinkle salt. The chicken's already been cleaned prior to this. Manuk tu dah dicuci dulu, dah bersih. And next, I'm going to add the oil. Add oil to the chickens until it's all coated. Minyak disapu dah ngau manuk sampai semuanya udah sampai semua cover. And then we're going to, you can use that like that, or you can use a whisk or a fork to mix the herbs. Bahan-bahan tadi campur dulu, boleh guna garpu ataupun punjang ketuk pun ada yang kacau. And then we're going to sprinkle it. I'm going to sprinkle it all over our chicken. Masukkan semua minyak tadi and let it press. So I'm going to marinate my chicken for 1 day or 24 hours, or you can marinate it for at least 30 minutes before you can bake in the oven. Manuk tu dekat diperap dalam peti sejuk 1 hari ataupun 24 jam. Boleh di marinate dalam peti sejuk 30 minit paling kurang sebab nyimpan dalam oven. And after that I'm going to use my aluminum foil to cover my chicken in a bowl, or you can use a cling wrap like this. Just cover it up before transfer it to the freezer. Boleh guna aluminum foil, atau boleh guna plastic wrap, atau I'm going to put it in my fridge for 24 hours. So manuk tu aku sikat perap dia dalam peti sejuk selama 24 jam. Then we come back to that. Okay, after 24 hours in the fridge, my chicken is ready, marinated, and it's ready to be back in oven. So I prepare my vegetable, which is potato and carrots, and I'm going to mix it with some salt and black pepper. So manuk udah diperap dalam peti sejuk atau ke peti ais selama 24 jam. Jadi step seterusnya ianya nyediakan sayur kena aku dito ianya carrot ngau ubi kentang. Jadi ubi kentang ngau carrot tu ada kena campur ngau garam ngau lada hitam. Next, put our chicken on top of the vegetable. Engkau manuk atas sayur. And next step is to pour in my vegetable stock. Engkau stok sayur dalam tray, dalam baking pan. And after that, I'm going to cover this chicken with aluminum foil. Cover ataupun bungkus manuk tu dengan aluminum foil. So what I'm going to do next is put it in oven. Its oven is already preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 280 degrees Celsius. I'm going to bake it for 1 hour covered, and after that I'm going to reduce the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Then after that I'm going to uncover this chicken and bake it for another 30 minutes. So altogether it will be 2 hours in the oven. So jadi manuk tu dekat dipanggang dalam oven dengan suhu 425 degree Fahrenheit atau ke 218 degree Celsius selama 1 jam dulu. Udahnya turun ke temperature dengan 400 degree Fahrenheit atau ke 200 degree Celsius selama 30 minit. Udahnya buka lempu aluminum foil tu, uncovered. Udahnya panggang yang baru 30 minit. So penglamaknya dalam oven ianya kira-kira 2 jam. Manuk dah masak, aku akan keluar dari oven. The chicken is cooked. I'm going to remove it from the oven. So after 2 hours, our chicken is ready and I'm going to take it out from my oven. So selepas 2 jam, manuk aku dah mansau, aku akan masak dari oven. This is how our chickens looks like. Manuk aku dah mansau, berketuk ke gambar ya. Dengan